I wish I could speak English better. I wish I could speak English like others. I wish I could speak English native speaker. All the times, all the learner think something like this. I could speak English better, but they don't have the practice. Okay, they don't have more much practice, but they think I wish I could speak English better than other people's. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. So today in my video I am going to tell you but before starting the video I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment, do the like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that I wish I could speak English better. I wish I could speak English like native speaker. On the contrary, I couldn't speak English well. How to improve our communication skill? How to learn English? So today in my video I am going to tell you everything. Okay, actually I have 3 tips for improving English. First of all, I would like to tell you, stop comparing other people's. Okay, first of all, you should stop comparing with other people's. All the times, all the learner think something like this: I wish I could speak English better. I wish I could speak English like native speaker. All the time. Please stop it. Okay, only try it because you want to be perfect. So please don't stress your mind. So please improve your communication skill and focus on your speaking English. Okay, so in the video I would like to tell you, actually I have 3 tips. Okay, even I have been using this step for long times, so that's why I am telling to you, because I have experienced. And actually when you start speaking English, so that times, first of all, in the beginning you should listen. Okay, listen. All video you should watch, okay, in English. Actually there are so many video are available on YouTube. You should watch English video, and please observe every person who speak English carefully. Okay, if you watch English, actually when you watch English video, so that time carefully watch English video only carefully. Okay, so only when you will be perfect. Okay, actually I have experience, so that's why I am telling to you, and automatically your mind will be worked. Okay, so I think first of all, in the beginning you should watch the English video. And another thing, if you don't have any partner, I think you have lots of excuses, because I don't have any partner, I don't have any environment. How to speak English without partner? Okay, please listen to me. Actually, if you don't have any partner, so speak with yourself. Okay, actually you have good mobile phone, and you make the video and record, and after that check your mistake. Actually when we try to speak English in front of other people, but people don't make the mistake, don't tell you anything. Only people watch and listen carefully. And people, people don't say something like this because this time you are making the wrong. Okay, actually people, people don't stress. So I think you should make the video and then check your mistake and correct your mistake. Okay, I think actually, I want to tell you about myself, because when I speak English, so that because then I recognized, because this times I am making the wrong, and then I correct, because I have one application, Google Translator, and then I translate and then I check my mistake. I think this is a very good way for improving English. So that's how my confidence, my English will be enhanced. Okay, so that's why I am telling to you, I think this way is very good for improving English. And next one, think in English. Okay, actually when you try to speak English in the beginning, okay, in the beginning, translate in your mind. Okay, translate in your mind to your native language. Okay, actually when you try to speak English in front of other people, so you can translate in your mind, okay, in the beginning, and slowly your mind will be worked. Okay, actually this way is very good for improving. Because when we started speaking English, so when I started speaking English, so that times I translated in my mind, because that time I get confused how to start, how to say. So that times I used to translate. So this times I can speak English directly and easily, but sometimes I can I translate, but most of time I speak English directly. Okay, I think this is a very good way for improving English. So that's why I am telling to you, actually I have experienced whatever I am saying, I have experience. So that's why. Okay, and another thing, practice. Practice is very necessary, got it? And actually without practice we can't speak English. And hard work is very important. Oh my god, how to hard work. Actually I want to improve my communication skill, but I don't hard work. Okay, I don't want to hard work. How to hard work? Actually I can speak English better without hard work. It's not impossible. Okay, you have to hard work. Okay, if you want to improve your communication skill, you have to hard work. Okay, without hard work, without practice, we can't speak English. So hard work is very necessary. Okay, actually I have example. You want to learn driving, okay, but you don't know how to drive because you don't have any practice. So I think, how could you drive without practice? It would be danger for you. Without practice you can't drive. Okay, so exactly the same thing, without practice you can't speak English. English, practice is very important. Okay, without practice you can't speak English. So I think in the end I would like to tell you once again, I am saying that if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment, your like is very important for me. I will catch up next my video. So thank you, bye bye.